Welcome to Divorces in North Carolina, Sandra Dinkins. Today we will be discussing the financial aspects of divorce for the primary breadwinner. Are you the primary breadwinner considering a divorce in North Carolina? It's a question that carries weight, especially when it comes to financial implications. As the main provider, you may find yourself navigating uncharted waters, and that's where this guide comes in. Check out my video. What are the requirements of filing for divorces in North Carolina, Sandra Dinkins? It discusses the legal requirement that states that spouses must live apart for a year and a day before filing for divorce. Over the course of this video, we'll discuss key topics such as the double maintenance expenses, legal and child support obligations, the importance of securing funds and preparing financial documents, and the art of being an excellent witness in court. We'll also delve into the consequences of neglect, hiding assets, and the significance of maintaining a low profile on social media during this delicate period. Whether you're a husband or a wife, understanding these factors could be pivotal in making your divorce process smoother and less daunting. So buckle up for an informative journey. If you get value from this video, please share and subscribe. Stay tuned as we delve into the financial aspects of divorce for the primary breadwinner. When contemplating divorce, have you considered the reality of maintaining two households? It's a question that many overlook, but it forms a critical part of the financial equation in a divorce scenario. North Carolina law requires that spouses live in separate residences starting during separation. Imagine this. You're living in one house, paying for utilities, rent or mortgage, groceries, and other household expenses. Now visualize having to shoulder the financial responsibility for two such households. That's right, two sets of bills, two rents or mortgages, double the groceries, and so forth. This is the stark reality of double maintenance expenses, a financial implication that arises when the primary breadwinner moves out post-divorce. It's not just about the physical relocation costs, it's about setting up a new home, from furniture to fixtures. Every item that you take for granted in your current home will have a price tag in the new one. And then there's the ongoing cost of running that second household. It's like living your current life twice. There's another angle to consider here. The court may order you to pay separation support and child support. This is a financial obligation that can add significantly to your monthly expenses. It's not uncommon for primary breadwinners to find themselves needing to secure additional income just to make ends meet. This could mean taking on a second job or even a third, depending on your circumstances. The key to navigating this financial maze is planning and preparation. Start by getting a clear understanding of your current and potential future expenses. Then, draw up a post-divorce budget that factors in the additional costs of maintaining a second household, along with any legal obligations like child support. This might seem overwhelming, but remember, you're not alone. A financial advisor or a family law attorney can provide valuable guidance and support during this challenging time. They can help you explore options, such as downsizing or finding more affordable housing, to manage your double maintenance expenses. Remember, planning ahead can make this transition smoother. This financial reality check is a crucial step in preparing for life post-divorce. It's about taking control of your financial future and ensuring that you can continue to provide for yourself and your children, no matter what. Did you know a divorce could mean you'll be ordered to pay child support and separation support? This might sound daunting, but it's a reality for many. Here's the lowdown. When a couple separates, the primary breadwinner, be it the husband or the wife, may be required to provide separation support. This is a financial aid given to the lesser-earning spouse to help them maintain their living standard until the divorce is finalized. On top of this, there's child support. It's a financial responsibility that ensures the children's needs are met. Expenses like education, healthcare, and day-to-day needs fall under this umbrella. The amount of child support is usually determined by the court and is based on a variety of factors, including but not limited to the income of the parents, the number of children, and the needs of the children. Now you might be thinking, what if I can't afford this? It's a valid concern. However, non-payment of child support is a serious matter and can lead to severe consequences. Remember, the law is designed to protect the child's best interests. Non-payment can result in penalties, wage garnishments, and in some cases, even imprisonment. This is where a second job might come into play. It might not be your first choice, but it could be a necessary step to fulfill these financial obligations. It's a tough pill to swallow, but it's important to remember that these payments are for the welfare of your children. Navigating through all these obligations can be complex and challenging, But fear not. A competent family law attorney can be your guiding light. They can help you understand these obligations and find the best course of action for your situation. They can provide advice tailored to your personal circumstances and help you navigate the legal landscape. Choosing the right family law attorney in North Carolina can guide you through these obligations. They can help you understand the full extent of your financial responsibilities and work with you to manage them effectively, ensuring you uphold your obligations without putting yourself in financial distress. Remember, it's not just about fulfilling your legal duties, it's about securing your financial future post-divorce. Are you prepared for the high costs of divorce and future financial obligations? Divorce can be a costly process, and being the primary breadwinner, whether it's the husband or the wife, can carry its own financial challenges. Let's delve into how to secure funds and prepare the necessary financial documents. Imagine divorce as a financial journey. Just like any journey, you need to plan for the cost. Start by making a thorough list of potential expenses such as legal fees, cost of moving, maintaining two households, and possibly increased child support or alimony payments. Remember, a well-planned budget is your best tool to avoid financial strain. Secondly, think about where the money will come from. You might need to dip into savings or consider liquidating certain assets. If that's not enough, you may need to explore other options such as borrowing from a retirement plan, securing a personal loan, or even getting a second job. It's essential to have an honest conversation with your financial advisor or attorney about this. They can help guide you through the best options for your situation. Next, let's talk about organizing your financial papers. This may sound tedious, but it's crucial. You'll need to gather documents such as bank statements, tax returns, investment portfolios, retirement accounts, and property deeds. This will not only help you understand your financial standing, but also provide a clear picture for the court. And while you're at it, start thinking about future financial obligations. If you have children, remember, non-payment of child support can lead to severe consequences, including potential prison time. So, plan for these obligations. Lastly, understand the importance of honesty. Hiding assets can lead to serious penalties and harm your credibility in court. Be transparent about your financial situation. It's not just the right thing to do, it's the smart thing. Your financial preparation can significantly impact the course of your divorce. So take the time to plan, secure funds, and organize your financial documents. Your future self will thank you. Remember, the goal is not just to survive the financial impact of divorce, but to thrive in your new life chapter. Are you ready to present your case effectively in court? Being an excellent court witness is more than just showing up. It's about honesty, emotional control, and keeping your case private, especially on social media platforms. Honesty is the cornerstone of a strong court case. It's essential to be truthful, not only when you're on the stand, but also in all your interactions with your attorney and the court. Any attempt to hide assets or misrepresent your financial situation can lead to serious repercussions, including fines, penalties, and even jail time. So be forthright and transparent about your financial situation. Remember, the truth has a way of coming out, especially in a court of law. Next, let's talk about emotional control. Divorce is an emotionally charged process, but it's crucial to keep your emotions in check, particularly in the courtroom. Losing your temper or letting your emotions take over can negatively impact your case. Judges appreciate a calm, rational demeanor and are likely to view you more favorably if you maintain your composure. So breathe, stay calm, and present your case with as much clarity and composure as you can muster. Lastly, it's important to keep your case private. Divorce proceedings are a matter of public record, but that doesn't mean you should discuss your case publicly, especially on social media. Anything you post can be used against you in court. So if you're tempted to vent on Facebook or boast about a new job or a bonus on Instagram, think twice. Even seemingly innocent posts can be misconstrued and used against you. It's better to stay off social media or at least be very cautious about what you share. Your behavior both in and out of court can influence the outcome of your case. So remember to be honest, control your emotions, and keep your case private. These are key steps to becoming an excellent court witness and navigating the complex waters of divorce. Do you know the consequences of hiding assets or neglecting your relationship with your children? Let's dive into this. In the midst of a divorce, emotions run high, and it might seem tempting to hide assets to protect what you believe is rightfully yours. However, this approach can have severe legal consequences. If discovered, hiding assets can lead to penalties, fines, and even jail time. Furthermore, it can negatively impact the court's view of your character, which may influence decisions regarding alimony, child support, and custody arrangements. But the consequences extend beyond the legal realm. It's a breach of trust that can cause long-lasting damage to relationships, especially with your children. They're already dealing with the emotional turmoil of a divorce. Adding financial deceit to the mix can intensify their feelings of insecurity and mistrust. Now, on to neglecting your relationship with your children. This too can have serious consequences. In the eyes of the court, maintaining a strong relationship with your children is a key component of being a responsible parent. If you neglect this relationship, it could potentially influence custody decisions, leading to less time spent with your children. On an emotional level, neglecting your relationship with your children can lead to feelings of abandonment and resentment. Children thrive on love, attention, and support. During a divorce, they need these things more than ever. By neglecting your relationship, you risk damaging your bond with your children, possibly beyond repair. So, as you navigate the financial aspects of divorce, remember that honesty is the best policy, and maintaining strong relationships with your children is paramount. It's not just about the money. It's about preserving trust, demonstrating integrity, and ensuring the well-being of your children during a challenging time. Remember, honesty and maintaining strong relationships with your children can help you navigate this process. As we've explored, divorce brings many financial considerations for the primary breadwinner. It's a complicated process, but understanding its nuances can make it more manageable, especially for those bearing the brunt of the financial responsibilities. Let's revisit some pivotal points. Firstly, we touched on the double maintenance expenses. When you're the primary breadwinner, you're not only supporting yourself but potentially two households. This can mean a significant increase in outgoings, at least in the short term. Next, we delved into legal and child support obligations. In North Carolina, it's common for the primary breadwinner to be ordered to pay separation support and child support. This can be a heavy financial burden, and you may need to consider additional income sources to fulfill these responsibilities. We also discussed the importance of preparing your financial documents and securing funds to cover the high costs of a divorce. Getting your financial papers in order can help avoid any unexpected surprises and ensure you're ready for what's to come. Being an excellent court witness is another critical aspect of navigating divorce. Keeping your emotions in check and presenting your case honestly and clearly can make a world of difference in the courtroom. Lastly, we explored the potential consequences of dishonesty or neglect. Hiding assets or neglecting your relationship with your children can lead to severe repercussions. It's essential to remember that honesty is the best policy, especially in a situation like this. The journey of divorce is undoubtedly challenging, but it's important to remember that you're not alone. A trusted family law attorney in North Carolina can be your guide and advocate during this difficult time. And remember, staying off social media during this period can be a wise decision. It's not the place to vent frustrations, discuss your case, or brag about bonuses or pay increases. Your primary focus should be on navigating your divorce with integrity and preparation. Remember, preparation and honesty are key in navigating the financial aspects of divorce as a primary breadwinner in North Carolina.